Perco one-line price gun, print options. Easy to load, easy to use, first time, every time. The Perco one-line price gun allows you to print a variety of information and apply it quickly and easily time after time. With 8 print bands, it can be used to print price, discount price, product code, price by quantity. In addition, the last band allows multiple pricing options, either by the case, package, dozen, each, case, or by the pound. A simple twist of the knob quickly changes the price. The Perco one-line price gun holds a roll of 1,000 labels, allowing the user to mark item after item without stopping to reload. Perco one-line price gun. Easy to load, easy to use, first time, every time.